How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. I have to talk about CRKN again. I made a video earlier about this thing pumping, and guess what it did, guys? We had our pump, and congrats for everyone that got in. Let's talk about where do we go from here. I'm going to talk about intraday time frames, precise entries, and like where should we go. If you guys don't know, I use the band strategy system. I look for average true range. So if you look at the upper band, stocks tend to sell off at the upper band. And where do they go back to is your exponential moving averages of 5, 10, and 20. And that's it. Those are my middle bands here. I love the bottom reversal plays. Any play that hits the bottom reversal of the lower band, which is this green colored band, that's where I make my bread and butter. That's where my big money goes in and I make good money. So when a stock rallies, we never chase. I say this, and if you guys in my premium Discord are watching, we will never chase a stock that hits the upper band. You will get rid of all your big bags if you just get rid of this right here. We'll never chase up here. Let the runs take away from you. If it goes up 100%, who cares? We just don't chase. So here's what's going to happen. We always talk about immediate EMA 5 bounce. This is a short-term bounce. I don't necessarily like playing it, but as you can see, when CRKN hit this, we had a bounce. It's just a bounce. The trampoline effect is usually on the EMA 10. When we hit the EMA 10, what happens? That's your trampoline. I call it trampoline because it's a bigger bounce. When you're jumping on a trampoline, where do you want to get held on? EMA 10. So right here, we had this big massive bounce from here to here. Man, that was awesome, actually, guys. 11 cents to 18. All right, so let's get past the old data, and then we eventually hit the EMA 20 to a T. Every stock will hit the 5, 10, and 20 in an orderly fashion. It always does it. So now we're in this pattern of it consolidating, and it was, people were getting a little frustrated. We have right here, nice support, and this is right here, a stop loss. If it goes under this area, all out. But it did not even get close, right? So right here, we have our lines, but we don't trade based on this. We use something unique. Not a lot of people use this system that I'm going to show you. And if you want to access this system, join the premium Discord. It's only $6 a month. You guys are going to love it. So, and I'll post the link in the YouTube comments. So what we have is one of my favorite things when we're under the EMA 20. A lot of people freak out when we're under the EMA 20. And people are like, oh, I hate this now. Because usually that's your downtrend, right? But a lot of the times when you're under the EMA 20 and you have time distance of EMA 5, this one's not exactly. But what you'll see is right here, you get under the EMA 20 and you shoot back up to the EMA 5. And then this one went even further. So right in here was a nice little buy area because, one, your stop loss is over here, right? Your stop loss is at where the prior candle went. So you are really close to your stop loss of 6 cents and 0.630, and you're buying it in the 8-cent region. It's a very good risk versus reward, right? You got to take risk in the market. And this candle right here was very good risk versus reward to hit the EMA 5. And look what it did, a 30% return. And it still kept going from 8 cents all the way to 14 cents. Okay, but as you know, when we're above the EMAs, I want everyone to say danger. Danger, danger, danger. We do not buy when we're above the EMAs. Never. Absolutely never. There's no questions asked. You don't throw a random dart and hope you get lucky where it goes up. You just don't do it. And let me tell you why. Look at this. I see it all the time. Right here, we get above the EMAs. Everyone gets excited. Everyone's throwing in their money. This is the rally. And guess what happens? We're back below the EMA 20. What are we going to do again? Same setup. Stop loss under the big prior candle and conservative bounce to what again? EMA 5. I can't make this up. This is very, very nice stuff. So right in here, we're under the EMA 20. And you only want to play this so many times, right? So do keep in mind. But when there's volume and you're seeing lots of volume, this is very nice. So right here, what I also want to show you is so important. We're not going to do just based on the daily candle. We want to make sure we're under the EMA 5 when we're buying, and we have about 2 days of time distance. This is very nice. We have 2 days of time distance, guys, right here. And we know we're going to hit this EMA 5 very shortly, especially with the meme stock rallies happening. This is looking nice. We want to go to a 5-minute time frame. As you can see, look at this. Even on intraday time frames, we hit this upper band. We're going to correct to the version of the mean. which is right here. That's a reversion of the mean, the EMA 20. And it does that on faster, it does it faster on shorter time frames. This is a nice entry right here. But let me look back and see better entries. Because we want to make sure on this daily candle that we are as close as possible. You know, we want to make sure we're under the EMA 5. So we don't want to have any price at 0.09. It has to be way under for that. So let's go to the 1 minute here. Let's find some things faster. Right in here, wow. This was very nice right in here. I'm going to show you guys something too. So right in here was a very nice entry. 0.0855, and we're well under that 0.9. What I want to show you guys is it's very impossible to like really get the exact thing on here. So what I like to do a lot is when we hit the lower band, I record that. Let it go up, which is a reversion to the mean up here. And let us have a retest of this and do a slightly above it. So if this is 0.855, do like 0.87. You know, something like that. And yeah, you would have got caught right on this area. And you would have had the nice bounce from 0.87 all the way to 10 cents. Let's see if there's any other areas. You got to be very picky. This one would not have counted. It happened too fast. It didn't do a retest. That would not have counted. So I'm only seeing one right here on the 1 minute. As you can see, when we hit the upper band, you need to be scared, and it does so off. So there was your entry. Oh, here we go. Almost. So right here, oh, here we go. If you were up this okay, yeah, 7 in the morning right in here, you have the retest at the lower band. You get back in, it retests it right here, and then goes down a little more to fill you. So this would have been a very nice coordination with your daily chart. And that's what we wanted to see here, a daily chart coordination with a smaller time frame to get this nice conservative entry down here. Because you know price has to revert to the mean. It does it in every time frame. I showed you it on a 5 minute, a 1 minute. It goes really fast to the EMA 20, and on a daily candle, it's going to go really fast to the EMA 5. EMA 20 is going to be a little longer because it takes more time. But as you can see, price does that in a fashion. What I love most about this chart is look at the massive distance we had to the upper band. Look how beautiful this is. If we had the meme stock rally, which we are having, we have massive room up. This is awesome. To 30 cents. I repeat, 30 cents, and the price right now is 8 cents that we could have got it at. Right now, as it's rallying, if you look at the 1 minute chart, it is at 10 cents. So you would have missed the 8 cents, but we have price room to 30 cents. Obviously, I don't think it's going to get there. It's going to be lots of rejection if it does. But even if it gets to, you know, the high of 18 cents, which is this resistance here, 15 cents, 13 cents, it's still a freaking good game. All right, I do want to keep that in mind. Take the gains, rinse, and repeat. And that's how you stay in the game. Hope you guys enjoyed this analysis of CRKN. This is my update on it. And we are going to be touching the EMA 5. And when it does that, when it gets above the EMAs, do not play it anymore. You missed out on the boat. Look for the next stock. So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. What you're going to do is click the link down below into the YouTube comments. It'll be a link that says join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you do click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is first read how to subscribe. Very nice knowledge. If you have an Android, you'll want to read this. Avoid scammers. I will never DM you first or message you first. A lot of people will impersonate me because we're growing really fast, and this is a system that anybody can do. And I'm going to show you guys. So subscriptions, if you want to subscribe, hit premium chat under subscriptions, and this is where you will opted in to be a subscribed member. Sorry. Getting a dry mouth. And it's only $6 a month, and I want this to be so cheap that anybody can dip their toes in the water and not have to worry about the fees, because trading is hard. Over 90% of the traders lose, but I promise you, if you do this system, you will not be a loser. You will be a profitable trader. I know I'm making a big assumption, but I really think if you have the discipline, you can do this. Do subscribe on computer. Because you'll avoid the iOS fee, so do keep that in mind. If you do it on your phone, it'd be $1 or $2 more. What you're going to get is RTK swing trades. These are my exact alerts and entries before the price hits it, so you know exactly what I'm doing. There's no guesswork. You're going to get my education videos. Do watch all those. And RTK Journal is the best thing to look for. The RTK journal is going to tell you what stocks I'm in with my averages and my wins and losses, and then I put notes on why do I like a stock. I'm telling you, this is the full transparency of probably like a freaking $100 value, but you're getting for the price of $6. It cannot be beat. Tell me what you want is, but at least give it a try. I'm telling you, if you do exactly what I say, you will be a profitable trader. Am I trying to tell you you're going to get rich fast? No, I'm not promoting get rich fast. I'm promoting the 5 to 20% profit you're getting in that range, and you're rinsing and repeating. Because the name of the game is to stay in the game. As long as you're making money consistently, that's what matters. Hope you guys take the time to join. It's a very nice Discord, and the most important part is you get a community, because I don't see all the stocks. The stock market's big. A lot of people see this system, and they can find a lot of stocks. If you like the video, my analysis of CRKN, Crown Electric, I made a video before about right in here, made a massive pump, and I think I made one recently right here, and we're making the pump now. So hope you guys liked the video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. And I do read your comments, and I do appreciate if you like the video. I hope to see you in the premium Discord for only $6 a month. Peace out.